Hello, my name is Nathan Danielson, a product support specialist here at RealityWorks, and I just wanted to take a moment of your time to go over 3 quick tips for implementing your guideWELD VR welding simulator. Tip 1, an assessment tool. You can use the guideWELD VR as a safe, non-threatening environment for students who are getting into welding for the first time to get their feet wet, so to speak, without having to work with live flame or electricity or fuel, and that way they can practice those basics before they actually end up having to work with the real deal. Tip 2, student outreach. So another option for implementing the guideWELD VR system is outreach to students, specifically younger students who may not even have thought of what a welding career might be like. Being that it's portable, safe, and easy to use, and plays a little bit like a game, it'll give them a fun environment to get a taste for what welding is. Tip 3, student competition. Another thing you can do with the guideWELD VR system, being as it plays a little bit like a game, you can have students spend a day taking turns practicing on the system and trying their skills against one another. Maybe keep a running score, put it on a higher difficulty. Let's see how well you can get or how close you can get to the top of that. We've all had the chance to play video games or arcade games at some point, and the thrill of the competition can be something that helps drive and motivate students to get better at welding. So there you have it. There's a few simple tips for implementing your guideWELD VR system. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.